to get some images on your stars. Disclaimer, my kid's watching Blippi in the background if you hear something else going on. It's Blippi. Take a look.
Sometimes I have a picture that doesn't have a very good way to remove the background to put over the top of the star, and if I put it within the star it will warp the image, and just the way that the angles are on the star, it will cut out a lot of the picture that I want. So the solution that I've thought of is to create a circle to place on top of the star, and this is really very simple to do. So you will just insert the circle shape, and you can draw it out however big you like. Then for the shape outline you can make it whatever you want. I did the 6-point line, and then whatever color you like. I usually choose a color that's in the picture a little bit. Then to get your picture inside of the circle, you just fill the shape with the picture file that you would like. So for example, I want this chameleon, and I thought he would look better within a circle rather than inside of the star. And so as you can see, he fits in there pretty well. I can also, if I want, adjust his space within the circle by adjusting the background. So I select the circle, and I can adjust if I want him like more towards, maybe I want to see, that's the edge of the picture. Maybe I want to see a little bit more of his nose, so I can make him like that or whatever. And then the line, I can select, I really like the purples in his eye. So then that can be my chameleon. And oh no, it's a little bit bigger than I would like, but no big deal. I can make it, however small. And then when I want to create a new picture, I just copy and paste. So I'm not remaking my circle every time. And then I just fill it with my new image that I would like. Hopefully this helps you get more pictures on your stars.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and use stars with your students.